हेलो पेरेंट्स, वार्म ग्रीटिंग्स टू यू ऑल। चलिए कुछ बात करते हैं। आई एम रजनी गुप्ता, एन एजुकेटर। आजकल बच्चे आपके साथ बहुत लंबे समय के लिए हैं। यू हैव टेकन देयर कस्टडी, देयर सुपरविजन फॉर 24 आवर्स, एंड यू आर नॉट ओनली अ पेरेंट, but you have become a teacher, a friend, a mentor for them. And I would say you have become a complete institution for them. You are a school within yourself. So, this is an opportunity for you. तो जब समय ने कुछ ऐसी परिस्थिति हमारे सामने लाकर खड़ी कर दी है, तो क्यों ना इसका एक बेहतर इस्तेमाल किया जाए, इसमें से कुछ ढूंढा जाए, कुछ निकाला जाए, कुछ नया क्रिएट किया जाए। So for past few days I have been watching, just for my own time pass, I have been watching some videos, some interviews of successful people, those who have been successful in their own respective areas. They have created heights for themselves, and they have also become an inspiration for the generations to come. So when I was listening to their stories, I could find one similarity in all those stories. एक समानता थी इन सभी कहानियों में। और क्या थी वो समानता? Their challenges in life, चुनौतियां, उनकी जिंदगी की चुनौतियां, the challenges they faced in their life. So some of the challenges were emotional, some of them were financial challenges, there were social challenges, there were challenges related to the relationships, there were educational challenges. तो इन सभी चुनौतियों ने उनको सफलता की सीढ़ी पर चढ़ने के लिए उकसाया और वो एक मुकाम पर पहुंचे. So the mantra I could get out of this story was just one, and that mantra was challenges. Yes, challenges, चुनौतियां. So as I was talking to you, that this situation has come to us as an opportunity, because undoubtedly this situation is full of challenges for us and for our kids as well. तो क्यों ना हम इस सिचुएशन को एक अवसर की तरह से लें? ऐसा मेरा मानना है, या जो मैंने बच्चों को ऑब्जर्व किया है डे टू डे लाइफ में, आई फील दैट आवर किड्स हैव बिकम used to of a very comfortable life, because everything comes to them on platter, be it a school or be it their homes. So now when the situation is challenging for all of us, the human mechanism has started working. क्योंकि इंसान जो है वो एक बहुत ही जुझारू प्राणी है, उसकी स्वाभाविक प्रवृत्ति है जुझारूपन. You must have seen a parachute. It works when you jump from height, but it won't open when you are standing comfortably on the ground. तो अभी करना क्या है? देखिए, स्कूल्स, टीचर्स, एजुकेटर्स ने तो अपनी पूरी तैयारी कर ली है. They have invented, they have discovered new ways to fulfill their responsibilities. They are giving kids online sessions, online content, new apps have been created, PDF material is ready. But what you are supposed to do as a parent, don't take these sessions as stress on yourself. I know it has been a challenging environment for you when it comes to online sessions, but these sessions are only a guideline for you. So I would suggest, don't create a school at your home where everything works with the ringing of a bell. So give them required independence. This is a time to experience, to experiment, and to explore. So let them utilize this time creating something new, discovering something new. And this is how inventions happen. Because when they go to school, they have to work with a set schedule, with a set format. तो उनके पास वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं रह जाती हैं जहां पर वो अपने दिमाग का, अपनी स्किल्स का खुलकर इस्तेमाल कर सके. सो नाउ व्हेन द टाइम हैज कम, let them use their brains. तो अगर बच्चे आपके बहुत छोटे हैं, if they are the small kids, very very small kids, let them create something freely out of colors. Let them make something out of dough. Let them make a sand tower. Let them play with the mud. अगर बच्चा थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, थोड़ा ग्रोइंग स्टेज में है, let him observe things. Let him work with things. तोड़ने दीजिए, फोड़ने दीजिए, कुछ नया बनाने दीजिए. And this is how you will see that their brains are working. The brainstorming is taking place. If your child is a teenager, let him spend some time with himself, with herself. Let him write a poetry. Let him write a story. Let him think something where something new gets created. So, how many writers, how many painters, how many poets, how many scientists, how many inventors, how many painters are born out of this situation. So it's a beautiful time, I would say. Let your kids be their own. Let them have their own freedom. कुछ नया निकल के आने दीजिए, कुछ खूबसूरत निकल के आने दीजिए, और देखिए उनकी दुनिया में से कैसी कैसी जादुई चीजें निकलती हैं. So just enjoy that magic. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.